you I'd show you this, and it is kind of cool. Let me turn this off. Can you see them? They're actually glowing in the dark. Hang on a second. I'm going to shut off my television screen. That's adding to the light here. And where's my mic? Put this on. There we go. Now you can hear me. All right, so let's turn this off. And then what I'm going to do, grab the right cord. Okay, turn this off, and now you can see it. See how they're glowing in the dark? Isn't that's so cool, isn't it? That is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna make a short out of this. Apparently these glow in the dark too. Watch. Do you see how that's glowing in the dark? So it's a white piece, as you can see, but then it glows in the dark. That is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna keep building. Let me turn back on my television here. I have so much ambient light in here, so you know, it's really cool. I'm gonna turn that on, then I'm gonna grab my other remote. I'll put that over there. Go in here. All right, what was I listening to? Oh, right, I was listening to. Okay, well, I'm gonna pause the video for a minute so I can get this set up for you.